everybody, my name is Althea and welcome to Making It Your Own. I wanted to talk to you all before I started cooking about why I came up with this name. I watch a lot of blogs, I look at a lot of comments, and I see people saying when someone's trying to demonstrate how to make a dish, oh, my mom makes it that way, or my nana does this. That's okay. That's how we learn how to cook. That's how I learned how to cook. I stole a lot of recipes myself. That's where great cooks come from. See something that I'm doing that you do a little differently? That's okay. Why don't you tell me your secret? I might steal yours too. Welcome to Let's Cook and Making It Your Own. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to make a batter for my fried green tomatoes. And this yellow bowl right here is nothing more than buttermilk. If you do not have any buttermilk on hand, my Aunt Chris taught me a trick a long time ago. The only thing you have to do is take some cold milk and 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar and just stir it until it starts curdling up. There's your buttermilk. But we have the real thing right here, so here's some buttermilk. Into the buttermilk, I'm going to add 1, 2 eggs. Looks like it's pretty thick and it's doing exactly what I needed to do at this point. So, what I want to show you next, I have in this bowl some Andy's chicken seasoning. It's a chicken flour, and an Andy's fish seasoning. It's a fish, I guess more say cornmeal. I mix this together, and this is actually my key, you all, the secret. You're hearing something first here. A cup of the Andy's fish seasoning and a half a cup of the Andy's chicken seasoning. I'm going to take probably, I'm going to say this is probably 2 to 3 tablespoons of Andy's fish and chicken, and I'm going to now add this to the batter. And what I'm going to do is slowly mix it. Look at this yumminess going on. Okay, and I'm going to continue to do it until it all gels together. I want some thickness, kind of sort of if you were going to do like a batter for a chick, like a wet chicken batter. I know you're probably saying all of this for some fried green tomatoes. Take the time, do the extra steps, and I promise you, when you eat these fried green tomatoes, you're going to think you're eating meat. If you're a vegetarian and haven't had meat in a while, you're going to swear you're eating it today. I promise you. Now this little step right here, you don't have to do if you don't want to. I don't want you to season your tomatoes at all. But what I'm doing now is adding a little cayenne pepper to it. I told you in another video, this family likes everything spicy. So I'm just adding a little cayenne pepper on the green tomatoes so we can get that bite when we eat it. We like it spicy, so this is the reason why I'm doing this step. If you do not like spicy food, please stop right here. Do not add anything to this tomato because the seasoning that you're going to need will be in the batter that we just made. Toss these a little bit. I'm going to transfer it over into a larger bowl. And why I'm doing this is because what we're going to do now, we want to get our tomatoes a little time to soak in this batter because we want that flavor. What we're going to do now, that batter that we made a few minutes ago, we're just going to stir it a little bit to make sure we don't have any lumps in here. And we're going to then just go ahead and pour it over the tomatoes, like so. Get it all in there. Got a little thickness right there, but that's okay. I'm going to take that. I'm just going to toss it a little bit. I'm going to toss it around. And what I normally do is make sure I push it down inside of here. Let me let you see it. I'm going to push it down inside of here. And we're going to let it sit in the fridge for probably 15 to 20 minutes so all the flavoring can get on the tomatoes. Because remember, I never season the tomatoes with any kind of seasoning. So this is going to give the tomatoes the opportunity to marinate in the buttermilk. The tomatoes have been in the refrigerator for probably 15 to 20 minutes now. I'm going to do them a little get a little quick stir just to make sure. See how the batter has thickened up on them? Okay, let's start breading this puppy. What I'm going to do is take the fish and chicken mixture, the seasoned flour and cornmeal, place it over in a bag. Take my spoon, get the rest of it out of here. Just gonna dump it over in a bag. Grab up a couple of them, stick them in a bag, like 2 handfuls of them. Give it a shake. Now if you want to stick them back in the refrigerator for a few minutes, once you've breaded them, you can do so. I just lay them on a plate. I've never had any problems with the mixture sticking on there. Make sure you shake the mixture off of it like that. That's a little bit too much. Okay, you've gotten the green tomatoes breaded up, so let's start frying them. We'll just put them in probably like a cup and a cup and a half of good oil. I only use canola oil, olive oil, corn oil, and peanut oil. In this case, this is canola oil. You probably only need to cook 1.5 minutes on each side. Give it a good turn because you don't want it to burn. And this grease is kind of high. See, I'm starting to float up. Let's turn this fire down a bit too. I'll flip it one more time. Okay, let's get this joker out and set to the side. I'm going to add some more. There's another batch in here. You only probably want to get like 4 or 5 in here at a time. Remember, like I said, only cook it a minute to a minute and a half on each side. If you make them a little thicker, you want to cook it probably a little longer. I don't like them really thick. My brother loves them thick. I just think you get a better flavor of them if they cook thin. And they cook faster that way as well. This is a dish that someone has to be in your home when you're making them. They don't carry over to someone else's home. Mine doesn't last that long anyway. This is an easy dish that a lot of people like to make but don't know how. And that's the reason why we have this show. And the reason why I have this on some aluminum plate is because it's going to keep the heat for me. We're just going to continue to do this until they're all done. They're really quick. You can even double batter it if you like. Just gonna keep doing them. If you like the people in my house, as I pull them out, they're going to be grabbing them. This one's a little bigger, so that's why you see me continuing to play with it. Okay, we're going to add some more. We're just going to continue this process until they're all done. Remember, depending on the size of the tomato, 1.5 minutes, then turn. Might not even need that long. I'm thinking I'm turning these puppies probably every 45 seconds. Again, I wish we had smell-o-vision. It don't take long at all. Be good with some fish. Wish we had some. Hey you all, here's our finished product, fried green tomatoes. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, like, comment, and subscribe. And most important, don't forget to share. Until the next time, we're making it our own. See ya!